guys and gals, Mateo is here. So earlier today, I uploaded a video about another person calling me Jimmy. I'm tired of it. My real name is Mateo, but people that used to be on Davdy Studios' side called me Jimmy. I'm tired of it. But let's not worry about that for now. So right now I'm down here in my basement. If you don't know, it got built. So I'm gonna do this. If you don't know what this is popcorn, but just uncooked. Yeah, I'm gonna try this. Can it pop by itself in the microwave? I've never tried that before. But I'm just gonna try it. I decided to record a video of it. Yeah, let's do this. Okay, so the microwave. Okay. Okay, 30 seconds. If you don't see it, there it is. If you don't see it, there it is. Okay, so that did not work. Let's just try 30 more seconds. This time I'm just gonna time lapse it until it pops. Ooh! Ooh! Oh, 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 oh. Did you see that? Did you see that? Ooh! Dude, did you see that? And I got it pumpkin flavored. Let's do it one more time. Let's do a minute this time. And time lapse again. Ooh! It did it again. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. I'm just so surprised that it works. I forgot. I'm surprised that it works. It works. I also made some. These pumpkin flavors are good. So, yeah, I'm really surprised that it works. Yeah. If you want to try it, just put the microwave to at least 1 minute, cause if you put it for less than a minute, it's not gonna pop. So you can put it for like 40 seconds and then 20, but it's just better if you put it for at least a minute. Yeah. If you knew that it worked, then you can like predict. I'm just wondering if that could be a science experiment or something. I've not done that in school. Well, as you know, I'm in middle school, so, and I have science period 1, but I didn't try that because I never tried it. Maybe I never will. Maybe in high school. Not sure, but yeah. So, if you already know that, just don't comment. Just don't comment down below a hate comment. Just don't do that, please, because I'm just done having haters. No, you know how many haters I had? Expose Master, Luis. No, that was last year.
Yeah, but you did.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, but that was last year, Gregorio. I could have made this as a live stream, but no, not a lot of people could watch it live. But I'm just wondering if this video is gonna get a lot of views. Like when I was 8 years old, I got a video with 500 views, and I was like, yeah, thank you very much, everyone. But I didn't make a video about it. But then when I started growing up, I was like, what was I doing? 500 views is not that big of a deal. Like I have a video that has 5,000 views. That is better than 500. I am amazed. But popular YouTubers have over 1 million. Some like songs have over 1 billion views. Like the Gummy Bear song, Crazy Frog, Alex something. Yeah, but if I get 500 views on this, I'm not gonna be excited as I was when I was 8 years old, cause that's not really that big of a deal. So yeah, I'm not gonna apologize for having this video short since I've been making a lot of short videos in a while. So yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.